Now, let's learn this adverb 也. 也 is an adverb. Let's see these two sentences. 她很漂亮。她很可爱。她 In these two sentences, the subjects 她 are the same. We all talk about 她. How about she? Oh, 她很漂亮，很可爱。There are two characters about her. One is 很漂亮, one is 很可爱. We can use 也 to combine these two sentences. Let's see. 她很漂亮。Here, 她很漂亮。也很可爱。Here, in second sentence, the subject is 她. 她, the same noun. And this noun we previously mentioned, so we can omit. Remember this grammar we learned before. And don't forget here, when you combine together, please remember add 也 here. And there is a comma after the first sentence. 她很漂亮，也很可爱。她很漂亮，也很可爱。Let's read the second example. 我买书，也买笔。I do two action, 买书 and 买笔。我 the same, so the second 我 omit and add 也 after the subject. Remember, 也 is an adverb. In Chinese, we always position the verb after subject. 你喜欢什么颜色？你喜欢什么颜色？我喜欢红色，也喜欢白色。我喜欢红色，也喜欢白色。If the subjects are not the same, how to combine? Let's see these two sentences. 这支笔很便宜。那支笔很便宜。Here, the same part is 很便宜，很便宜，很便宜，很便宜。Different subjects, but the verb part are the same. We need to keep the second subject and add 也 after second subject to combine. Don't forget this comma. 这支笔很便宜，那支笔也很便宜，很便宜，很便宜。We use 也 to combine also, but different subject, we need to keep the second subject. Let's see this. Subject 1 is 我. Subject 2, 他. We all do the same thing, 买书, 买书. And we add 也. We position 也 after subject to combine these two sentences. 我买书，他也买书。我买书，他也买书。你们要喝什么饮料？ Subject 1, 他 Subject 2, 我。他要喝奶茶，我也要喝奶茶。他要喝奶茶，我也要喝奶茶。哪件衣服好看？哪件衣服好看？这件衣服，那件衣服，很好看，很好看。这件衣服很好看，那件衣服也很好看。这件衣服很好看，那件衣服也很好看。See you. Bye.